The pioneer of parallel cinema, one of India's greatest directors whose work found an audience in the most discerning of global film circles, died in a Mumbai hospital on Monday evening. It was just 9 days after he celebrated his 90th birthday. His lens empathetic, rooted to Indian reality and always political, Shyam Benegal was the art house pioneer who rewrote the rules of cinema with films such as Ankur, Nishant and Bhumika that blazed an alternate path to mainstream movies. Fondly called Shyam Babu by friends and colleagues, Benegal was a pillar of meaningful cinema of the 1970s and 1980s.
मैं श्याम बाबू को 30 साल से भी ज़्यादा से जानती हूँ। मैंने 1998 में उनके साथ हरी भरी में काम किया। उसके पहले, क्योंकि मेरे पिताजी उनको अच्छे से जानते थे, पहले भी मैं मिल चुकी थी। इतने नेक इंसान थे वो, और उनकी अच्छाई, उनकी काइंडनेस, मेरे ख्याल से जो भी उनकी ज़िंदगी में आया हो वो कभी नहीं भूल सकता है उस बात को। और ग्रेट फिल्म मेकर तो थे ही।
For me, Shyam sir was thoroughly a gentleman, and as I say, to be able to say stories for more than 40 years to an ever-changing audience is a genius storyteller, a genius director, a genius writer. And for me, Shyam sir is on par with the genius filmmakers and writers of the world.
I admired him from a distance, but it was one of my life's wishes that I could admire him from close quarters. I got that chance. I consider myself very lucky to have done the film Well Done Abba with him in Hyderabad. 40 days we were there. And every single meal, every single conversation, every single direction, everything you think he would say in my ear was like a pearl of knowledge and kindness and greatness. And you don't get that feeling ever again. Never again.
Many in the film industry who revered and respected Benegal expressed profound sadness, calling his passing a big loss for Indian cinema.
Which cannot be said in words. I think you should try and understand what's in my heart. Shyam Sahab, I owe everything I am, everything I have to him. And I really don't know what else to say. Thank you.
And what has happened, it will take time even to sink down. I mean, to depart from him was not easy. And he hasn't departed. We have departed from him and seen him off. But all I can say about him, it was a revolution which he had brought, and he has gone with that revolution of change in cinema. And nobody else will be able to bring that wave or that revolution once again.
Born in Tirumalagiri, now in Telangana, Benegal grew up with cinema around him. His father was a still photographer who also made short films. He was also a second cousin of film legend Guru Dutt. Benegal received many national awards in his career, including the Padma Shri in 1976 and the Padma Bhushan in 1991. In 2005, he was honored with the Dadasaheb Phalke Award, India's highest award in the field of cinema. Benegal also served as a Rajya Sabha MP from 2006 to 2012. He is survived by his daughter and wife, Neera Benegal.